Would IUL companies send you a notice letter if when they change caps, COI? Yes. So you get notification every single year on what your policy is for the next year. So insurance companies can change caps and rates at any point throughout the year, but they can only adjust yours once a year on your anniversary date. So if you have a variable interest loan, you'll only see a change once a year on your anniversary date. If you have a certain cap rate, that can't change until the next year when your anniversary rolls around. So hopefully that answered that question good. How often do you recommend getting an in-force illustration? It's up to you. You can really get one anytime. I mean, you don't want to get one every week or every month, but you can get one every single year and find out how it's proceeding. I think for the most part, you'll kind of have an idea because the insurance company will send you the results of your current activity, what the index growth was, and what type of interest you earned. And you'll be able to just think, oh, well, that's better or that's worse than what I expected. Now, to get an in-force illustration means you want to see how it's going to perform out into the future. You want to know how that's going to affect, 30 years down the road in retirement. Possibly. And maybe the overall interest rate environment changes. Like maybe the stock market has gone through a slump, or maybe it's expected to go through a slump, and you may want to have your agent illustrate a lower amount for the next few years just to see how that goes. Those would be more than appropriate times to request an in-force illustration and specify what you would like to see them do when they create that illustration. Otherwise, most likely what will happen is it'll just illustrate at whatever rates they have out there right now, whatever the cap rates are set at, and they'll make an assumption that those will continue on into the foreseeable future. This was a question asked and answered during one of our Wealthcare Wednesdays live streams. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, or join us on one of our Wealthcare Wednesday live streams where you can ask the question and we'll answer it on the air live. I hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time. Now go maximize your cash flow.